Here is the next part out that we're going to do. Is a 2002 Xterra. This is a two-wheel drive world-class edition, whatever that means. So I think it means nothing. I think it just means that this thing came with a fancy backpack as part of a dealer upgrade. So body's in good shape except for that fender up there. I don't know what happened. I guess they ran into something and affected the door too. But besides that, body's in really good shape. I don't sell a lot of body parts. They usually go to the scrapyard just because people don't like paying for freight, and I don't blame them. But there's that World Championship Edition. So that's neat. This is a two-wheel drive, but it does have a Calmini lift kit, which is super cool. So I'm really excited about that. I will let you guys know how pulling it apart and cleaning it up goes. So the story behind this car is the previous owner started to do head gaskets, and then it got cold outside and they got discouraged, and that was the end of it. So I've got a full gasket set, I think. Pretty much the whole engine rebuild kit came with the car, all brand new parts and head bolts and all that. So I'm not going to rebuild this engine. This one will be for parts. I'm not going to try to pick up somebody else's project with all kinds of lost parts that are who knows where. So this is a good candidate for a part out, especially since it's a two-wheel drive. All the front end parts are there and they're all in really good shape. I just pulled them off because I had to do something else, or pull another part off already. These wheels are probably going to go on my four-wheel drive Xterra because they have a really good back spacing, as you can see. So I'll take them off and paint them, and then I'll put my 285s on them. Take a look at the interior. It looks really dirty and gross, but it's actually in good shape, especially the seat. So that's really good for a first-gen Xterra if you're not familiar. So I've already pulled a few things out of here and sold them. The gauge cluster, the bezel here are already sold. So we still have the shifter and a bunch of other interior parts. Oh look, we got some lifters. Dash piece looks like it's in good shape, so that's good. Take a look in the back seat here. Y'all can see all the extra parts. So we got head bolts, gasket set, knee bolsters there, and it's in good shape. A couple brackets and things. But all that's fair. Let's see if it has good door seals. No, it's already missing that rubber. I do usually try to keep a couple of those. Take a look back here. I've already gone through a little bit of this to kind of see what we've got, but we've got intake manifolds, valve covers, crank pulley, air box, all that kind of stuff. So the car was stock. And then in this box, we've got our rocker shafts. There's a cam laying around somewhere. So yeah, don't really want to go through trying to put this back together because who knows if they've, marred up anything inside here, and I can't warranty an engine that someone else took apart, even if I rebuild it, it's not worth the headache. But yeah, there you go. There's our next part out. So let me know what you guys need. A bunch of it will be hitting the eBay store, but as you guys know, not everything. I can't possibly put every single thing on eBay. So I usually have lots of parts on the shelves that I'm not going to go through listing. The shell has a good title, so if somebody wants it, let me know. I will give it to you. I usually give away the shells. So that's fully complete with body parts unless somebody buys something locally, which I don't usually sell the parts, like the body panels locally. So if you want a good shell, rust-free Texas Xterra, give me a shout. But there you go. There's the next part out. See you guys soon.